Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make unique printable junk journal pages and elements using my junk journal overlay templates. These overlays are intended to help you design unique and creative junk journal pages and elements in no time at all. The overlay templates can be used individually or combined with other different overlays to create layered textures. These templates are available in my online store, and you can find a link in the description below. Each template set includes a PDF file for quick and easy printing, plus a set of PNG files in two styles, one with a vintage style border and one without. To create a design with the templates, open one of the PNG template files in a photo editing program. I'm using Photoshop Elements. Then add a digital background paper. To move the background paper, you can copy and paste, or simply drag it out of its frame and onto the overlay document. Then move it to a layer underneath the template layer. It's easy to change the color of the overlay. Click on the Create a New Fill icon and select Solid Color. Make sure the adjustment layer is on the layer above the overlay layer. To clip the color adjustment, right-click on the adjustment layer and select Create Clipping Mask. You can adjust the opacity of the overlay layer to create a color with less intensity. Click on the overlay layer and adjust the opacity slider. To choose a different color, click on the color adjustment layer to open the color picker, then select a different color. The color will automatically be reflected on the overlay so you can see at a glance how it will look. To create different types of overlay effects, you can add a different template and place it on a layer above the original template, and then play around further with the opacity and blending modes. To scroll through the blending modes quickly, click on the Blending Modes drop-down box, select the Move tool, then press the plus or minus sign on your keyboard to scroll up and down. Keep scrolling until you find a blend mode that creates an interesting effect. The overlays can also be used together with my border templates. Just make sure to place the border template on a layer above the overlay layer. The overlays work well with different types of textured vintage paper, as well as papers with patterns or designs. Once you have a design that you're happy with, save it as a JPEG file and print it out. Using these templates and techniques, you have endless options for creating unique printable junk journal pages quickly and easily. Using the same process, you can quickly create junk journal elements such as journal cards and tags. With these overlay templates, you can also use different patterns and papers to create coordinating elements on the same page. To do this, add multiple papers and resize and position them. If there are any overlaps, add a layer mask and brush the overlaps away.